morning. We're going to get started with our math lesson, and we're going to start with our count to 100 with Santa. So go ahead and stand up and count to 100 with him.
Ready to learn, get ready to learn. Count to 100 and dance to the groove. Are you ready? Run like the gingerbread man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, twirl like a snowflake. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're ready to learn, we're ready to move. Count to 100 and dance to the groove. It's time to twist like a candy cane. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now chuckle like Santa Claus. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Start marching like a nutcracker. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It's fun to learn, it's fun to move. Halfway to 100, let's dance to the groove. Fly like an angel up in the sky. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And spread your branches like a Christmas tree. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Shh. Now sneak like an elf. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. We're ready to learn, we're ready to move. Count to 100 and dance to the groove. Oh no, time to melt like a snowman. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. And prance like a reindeer. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We wanted to learn, we wanted to move. We counted 100 along with the group.
Okay, we're going to do number talks today, and for number talks we're going to listen to the video of different ways to make 7.
Let's learn our number pairs. Build your math fluency. These are number pairs that make 7. I can say my number pairs. Yes, I can. I can say my number pairs and use my hand. I know that 2 parts make a whole. Let's learn the number pairs of 7 nice and slow. 7 and 0. 0 and 7. 6 and 1. 1 and 6. 5 and 2. 2 and 5. 4 and 3. faster. 7 and 0. 0 and 7. 6 and 1. 1 and 6. 5 and 2. 2 and 5. 4 and 3. 3 and 4. Those are the number pairs that make 7. A little faster. 7 and 0. 0 and 7. 6 and 1. 1 and 6. 5 and 2. 2 and 5. 4 and 3. 3 and 4. Those are the number pairs.
Okay, we're going to move on to our math paper now. So you need to get out your math paper that looks like this one. And I'm going to move this closer to the board so you can see better, okay? All right, that's probably good. All right, so we're going to talk about ways to make 6 and ways to make 7 on this page, okay? So you need to get a yellow crayon right now and a pencil. Those are the only two things you're going to need. And let me get back to the right page. All right, so we're going to start with our pencil, which, let's see, we're going to trace that 6 up there, okay? So take your pencil and let's roll a hoop and make a loop, okay? Now, let's look at how many blue dots we already have, okay? Can you tell by just looking at that, and can you subbatize how many blue dots there are? If you said 5, you're correct because that's our 10 frame again. The top of the row is full, so that means there are 5 blue dots. So let's go ahead and write our 5 over here. So while you have your pencil, to pull down, belly fat, go to the top, and make a hat. Okay, so we have 5 blue dots over here. Now, how many more dots do we need to make 6? If we already have 5, we only need 1, right? Okay, so use your yellow crayon to make 1 more dot in your 10 frame. Then you're going to take your pencil and make a 1 right. Oh, look at that. Don't want it to be, and it erased everything. All right, I'm going to quickly get caught back up. Okay. Now I'm going to write my 1 while I have my pencil. Okay. So you're going to write your 1 here because 5, and 1 make 6. Okay. So let's move down here to this one. Look at the 10 frame. Okay. But first we're going to make 6 again. So let's trace that 6. So did it again. All right. Here we go. Let's just trace the 6 with the pencil, okay? Roll the hoop and make a loop. And then you're going to count the blue, which there's only 2, right? So around and back on the railroad track. All right, and now we got to figure out how many more yellow are we going to need. So we've got 2. Let's say 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many more yellow did I need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to make a 4 over here by the yellow. Pull down, slide right, pull down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Okay, so 2 and 4 make 6. All right, now we're going to switch over to our number 7. Okay. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way you make a 7. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue dots. Okay, so let's make our 4. slide right, pull down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Now, we need to figure out how many dots do we need to make 7. So let's switch to our yellow. So we've got 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many yellow dots did I need? I needed 3. Okay? Around the tree and around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. So 4 and 3 make 7. Okay? So that is that side. Now, go ahead and flip over to this side. And this side is a practice by yourself side. So you're going to need a blue crayon and a red crayon. You're going to make 6 on this side. You're going to make 7 on this side, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and, since we're not in school together, we're going to do one of the 6s together and one of the 7s together. And then I want you to do the 6 by yourself and the 7 by yourself, okay? So you're going to need a blue and red crayon and your pencil, okay? So go ahead and get those. Okay, so I've got a red up here. Let's start with our blue, okay? Since they have the blue here, let's start with blue. Now we have to decide how many of the 6 do we want to make blue. And I think I just want to make one of them blue, okay? So I'm going to make one blue, and then I'm going to switch to my red, and I'm going to make the rest that I need for 6 red, okay? So I've got one blue, so I'm going to say 1, and then I'm going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So 1 and 5 make 6. So now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to write I had 1 blue dot and I had 5 red dots. Okay? So 1 and 5 make 6. Now, when we're all done, you're going to come back and make another way to make 6. Okay? But we're going to jump over here and do the 7 real quick since we're going to do it together. Okay? So let's switch back to our blue. So get your blue and let's decide how many of these we're going to make blue. Let's make 5 of them blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So 5, let's switch to our red. 5, 6, 7. So let's switch to our pencil. How many blue did we use? 5. And how many red did I use? 2. So 5 and 2 make 7. So you're going to finish this one and this one, okay? And then hopefully at some point we get to share those, all right? And if not, I'll look at them when you send your packets back, or you can take a picture of it too and send it in Schoology through your email to me, okay? Now, to end our day today, I'm going to let you listen to a story. It's Pete the Cat's 12 Days of Christmas.
Pete the Cat's 12 Groovy Days of Christmas. On the first day of Christmas, Pete gave to me a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the second day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 2 fuzzy gloves and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the third day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the fourth day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 4 Far Out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 5th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 6th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 7th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 8th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 9th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 9 ugly sweaters, 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 10th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 10 sloths a-sleeping, 9 ugly sweaters, 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 11th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 11 balls a bouncing, 10 sloths a-sleeping, 9 ugly sweaters, 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy. On the 12th day of Christmas, Pete gave to me 12 friends a-rockin', 11 balls a-bouncing, 10 sloths a-sleeping, 9 ugly sweaters, 8 guitars strumming, 7 concert tickets, 6 skateboards rolling, 5 onion rings, 4 far out surfboards, 3 yummy cupcakes, 2 fuzzy gloves, and a road trip to the sea. Groovy.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that story, and I will see you back here in just a minute for a reading lesson.